If you're used to having white ugali every single day, today I'm going to be showing you how to make brown ugali, which is very healthy. So over here I have my brown ugali flour, which consists millet and cassava. So the flour is rich in vitamins, minerals, and it's also a good source of energy. So you'll be full for longer. You'll place a pot or sufuria over medium heat and add water. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to gradually add in my millet flour as I stir, making sure that I have the right consistency. Once everything is combining, I'm going to use my spatula and give my ugali a good mix. This is to break the lumps. As you mix the millet flour to combine with the water, you can add in little bits of the millet flour to get the right consistency. The texture of the brown ugali is a little bit sticky because of the cassava flour, so don't worry if your brown ugali is not looking firm. Once everything is looking very perfect, you're going to reduce the flames to low and cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to cook for long because the millet flour takes a while to cook and you don't want to eat some raw ugali. So in between, make sure you flip the ugali so that all the sides can cook. After 10 minutes, my ugali is ready. So I'm going to use my spatula and mold so that I can transfer to my plate. Mold with my spatula a little bit once I transfer to my plate, just like that. And my brown ugali is ready. In a matter of 15 minutes, my brown ugali is ready and it's smelling so awesome because I've taken my time to cook the brown ugali. So I hope you'll be trying out this very easy recipe.